Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Samsung TV users encounter, error code 102. If you're facing this error, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Samsung TV error code 102. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our helpful tech content. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, let's make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Go to your TV settings, navigate to the network or Wi-Fi section, and check if your TV is connected to the correct network. If not, select your network and enter the correct password if prompted. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, the issue might be with your router. Power cycle it by unplugging it, waiting for about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This can refresh the connection and resolve any temporary network issues. Step 3. Update your TV software. Outdated software can sometimes lead to errors. Check for the latest software updates for your Samsung TV. Go to the Settings menu, find Software Update, and if there's an update available, install it. This might fix any bugs or glitches causing error code 102. Step 4. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, try resetting your TV's network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and other network configurations. Go to the Settings, find General or Network, and look for the option to reset network setting. Confirm and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Step 5. Contact Samsung support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to reach out to Samsung support. They have dedicated professionals who can provide specific assistance for your TV model. You can find the contact details on the Samsung website or in your TV's user manual. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those are the steps to troubleshoot and fix Samsung TV error code 102. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in our next video, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.